So Chantel, what are the basic things that we need to have to start the process?
Well, we can start with a t-shirt. That's a good
Great.
place to start.
Where can you get them?
You can get them from anywhere. You can go to any store and buy a t-shirt if you want to. The idea is to buy them wholesale if you possibly can. Usually if you're buying in bulk, you'll save money, and if you have tax ID, then you'll save the most money.
So you need a t-shirt, a black t-shirt, then a sewing kit.
You need a sewing kit, of course, and then that's going to be, after you've chosen your medium, we've chosen just plain white fabric, so we're going to duplicate the redistribute design. So we have the plain white fabric.
Which can be an old t-shirt that you're not wearing anymore.
Yes, in this case it is. It's an old t-shirt of yours, actually.
Of my comedy, absolutely. And we'll check it out later.
Okay, so she's got that. We have the sewing kit, so we can sew it on. Next thing we have to have, actually, these little scissors that I had waiting around, and now we finally get to use them. We're going to use that to cut the fabric into the shapes that we need to cut them into. You can use a fabric pen. You can use a fabric paint pen as well, but we're going to use just regular black paint today. And I'm going to dip into it with a fine brush, and we're going to paint that as well. So all this is handwritten, by the way, the redistribute and the hand drawn. So it's not, none of it is used on a stencil. I didn't use a stencil for this design.
So we're going to turn this into this right here.
Pretty much.
Great.
And we have the sponges for the paint, just in case we need the sponges. We have the hair dryer, and we have the tweener, the piece of board that we put in between the two layers of shirts so that the paint doesn't bleed through.
Okay, great.